sir. What's your name?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Harshvardhan.
And the name of your venture?
It's a Namrata Hemco Limited and
Namrata.
Namrata Hemco Limited.
And what it is all about?
It's all about the hemp. So we have the complete life cycle from seed to the end product. End product in the sense like one is the textile fibers, textile yarns.
The fabric.
The fabric side.
Okay.
We don't manufacture the fabric, but the yarns we do.
Okay.
And we have a bioplastics.
Okay, what are that?
So this one is the hemp bioplastics made with the plant-based polymers, which are 100% biodegradable within 6 months under the test conditions.
So it's a blending of polyester and hemp?
Not the polyester and the hemp, plant-based polymers.
Plant-based polymers.
Polylactic acid and all that. We have,
and you extract those plant-based polymers from hemp?
No, not with the hemp.
Okay.
We use the hemp fibers and the hemp cellulose material to get into that. Usually the polylactic acid and others, they don't give the enough strength.
Okay.
So that's why they couldn't get into the mainstream even after them. I think it's been 10 years since PLA has come up.
Okay.
They didn't come not even a 1% into that. The reason being the strength is very less.
Okay.
And they start degrading within the 3 months time.
Okay.
So what we did was to increase the strength, we included the hemp fibers, which has a high cellulosic fibers
content,
which increases the strength.
That's the strength.
And we could increase the time of degradability to 9 months.
Okay.
So until 9 months it is good.
Okay.
After 9 months it starts losing its strength.
That's fair enough. Okay. So you're based in?
We are based out of Bangalore, but all the cultivation, we have our own cultivation.
And where?
It's in Uttarakhand.
Something about the regulation part. So Uttarakhand is one of the first states in India which has a clear regulatory framework regarding.
Yes. Uttarakhand is the first state which came up with industrial hemp policy.
Yeah.
The research policy came up in 2016 and the commercial policy came in 2018.
Okay.
But with the 0.3% THC, it took a long time for the seed to come.
Okay.
So we developed our own seed strain, which in last 2 years of cultivation in Uttarakhand, which is approved by the government of Uttarakhand departments.
Okay.
We produce 0.04% THC.
Okay.
So that is 10 times less THC compared to the normal regulation. Compared to the regulation side.
Okay.
So with that we are multiplying now and increasing the acreage to produce large scale fibers. Because most of the fibers is being imported from China or Europe. That one we want to stop and have a self-sustainable.
Who do you sell to? Who are your customers?
So we are selling it to the yarn manufacturers, the fibers and all that.
And who are actually using it for
fabric manufacturing? Fabric manufacturing and the yarns, a lot of people deal with the yarns.
Yeah.
And the remaining material we use it for the composites. Now we are developing with one of the German automobile manufacturer.
Okay.
Where we are replacing the complete glass fibers with the hemp fibers.
Okay.
And without compromising on the strength or the impact resistance.
And where are those glass fibers used in the auto industry?
So the dashboards, the side panels, wherever the plastic is there, they use.
Okay, so shortly we can have hemp in our cars.
Yeah, that's what we are working on. So one of the German manufacturer, he came forward.
Okay.
So we will be setting up. It got passed. Now we are making the actual part to test it.
Okay.
And once that one is tested and successful, we will be establishing the complete ecosystem for them.
Okay.
That is the cultivation they want and the manufacturing. It should be in under one umbrella.
Okay.
And that's where we came across because that reduces a lot of expenses and also they are looking for the carbon credits, and with the hemp cultivation they can get the carbon credits.
So one gets carbon credits for hemp cultivation?
Yes.
Okay.
So hemp cultivation, by cultivating hemp, within the first, every year, if you cultivate 2 crops per square meter, it sequesters 160 kgs of carbon.
160 kgs of carbon
per square meter.
Per square meter.
Per square meters.
I think it is one of the highest.
It is the highest.
Yeah, it is.
So we have seen so this is our cultivation site.
Okay, so that's in Uttarakhand.
This is in Uttarakhand, in the Himalayan regions.
Okay.
And this is in the plain lands near the Dehradun.
Okay.
So industrial, we actually keep it in the plain lands because of. This is 15-day crop. 30-day crop.
Okay.
And
so I'll continue. So is it the same hemp that means we consume hemp seeds also nowadays? for
Yes.
omega 6
Yes.
and omega 9.
Omega 6 and 9.
And hemp oil is also being
See, that
recommended
is
by...
that's what, like, the confusion is the hemp seed oil and the hemp oil,
Yeah.
what they call sometimes the hemp seed oil or hemp oil.
Yeah.
That is totally different from the cannabis oil, the medical cannabis side. That is
Okay.
totally different.
That's different.
So that one is taken from the flower of the plant.
Okay.
The seeds do not have any intoxicant or any
Okay.
cannabinoids.
Okay.
Only the leaves and the flower has. The flower has a maximum medical benefits.
Okay.
In fact.
Okay. Okay.
And the stalks, we don't get into the flowering side,
Okay.
but we only keep it to the fiber and all that, because the rules and regulations is not yet clear in the medical and the recreational side.
Okay. Can I have a look at any of your products?
Sure.
Yeah.
So this is a biodegradable product.
Wow. So this has hemp in it.
This has hemp in it.
Wow.
And this is automobile composite which we made and got approved.
Okay.
And now we are making it into an actual part. So
Wow,
the actual
wow.
part will be sent to Germany for the testing. Once it is approved, then we have to set up everything here.
Okay, great. So no, that's quite amazing. You had tea in this?
Yes, of course. We have a lot of cups, like,
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
It was wonderful. So I think all these.
No.
Muscles
This one is we just
Okay.
bought it from and playing around.
Okay, thanks a lot. It was
Thank you.
wonderful meeting you.
Same.